Hello everyone. So basically, our solution is trying to solve the one problem that Saf spoke about in the final moments of the Liquid Bootcamp. I think that when you have a contract that is not between you, your friends, or someone you know, you have no way of exposing this contract and the conditions to enter to spend this contract to the general public. So we're trying to fix this. We're trying to solve this using the Nostr protocol, which is like a wonderful tool for this, like the perfect match. So how we are doing this? We have like this project, and how does it work? We have the front end where you connect to your Nostr account with the NIP07 signer with the NDK package, and we have the backend. The backend has like a simple template of a contract, which is like a price vault contract, where you can only spend the coins in the contract when it reaches a certain target price and a certain target block height. And basically, we use this simple contract and we input the user's data dynamically. The data meaning the price height that the user wants to lock like the funds, and the block height the user wants. And basically, this contract should use an oracle. Let me show you. Yeah, this contract should use an oracle, which is like going to sign the price and the block height, and it should be passed down in the witness to expand this simplicity contract. But for to make the demonstration easier, we decided to just hardcode the oracle pubkey and hardcode the oracle sig in the witness. But we were like developing a server, oracle server to validate this, but we decided that for this demonstration it was not like necessary. So basically that's the project. And our backend in Golang, we can first of all, we can generate the contract using this sample, dynamic sample, when the user input the block height and the target price, and we generate the contract, then use this like calling the simplicity high level compiler, and we generate the address calling call simplicity, and we can fund the address. We make a requisition to the liquid testnet faucet to fund the address. Then we develop like a sub protocol in Nostr, a pseudo protocol, where we have like a JSON format where we put every information about the simplicity contract that is important to spend this contract, and we propagate this through Nostr. Due to the time restrictions, we were not able to develop like the backend API to spend this contract, so you can propagate it, you can see it, but you cannot spend it yet in our project. But that should be possible because every information you would need is in the JSON we are propagating in Nostr. So basically, we're using Svelte as our front end, the NIP07, the NK package. We're using Golang and Fiber for the API framework. And basically, you can run like the front end npm run dev, and then in the other terminal, cd backend go and air run dot. If you don't have air installed, you can just go with go run dot. And this should, yeah, this is it. So this is the project. We can log in with our Nostr. This is my Nostr account for this test. The price vault, which is the only contract sample we have right now, but we can add more in the future, and this can be even dynamically added. When other Nostr clients propagate contracts, we can like see what kind of contracts they're propagating, and we can also add this to our sample menu of contracts. So basically, the contract name, like just a test for SatsHack. With description, testing something. The block height, that's like 3 million, and the price 150,000. And we generated the address. Let's fill the address with faucet points. And now let's propagate to Nostr. Let's sign it. And that was it. Our simplicity contract was propagated on Nostr. This is the JSON format that we propagated in Nostr. We're using even kinds of 01 defined on the NIP01. It's not the ideal way, but it's efficient and it's fast for this demonstration. So we can see it here in our Nostr profile. Yeah, this is it. And we can also see on our table of propagated contracts. So the way Nostr works is that anyone can create a client to see those contracts and even to claim those contracts if they have like the right spending conditions. So this is it. This is our propagated contract right here. And in the future, as I said, we want to make it possible to claim these contracts right here through Nostr, through our Nostr client. That's not so hard to code. We just didn't have the time for coding this in this hackathon. So the project is basically it. I hope you guys understood it well, and that's it. Thank you very much.